Hello there. Are you ready to practice those wishes in real conversation? Follow me then.
I still cannot believe we missed the band last night. I wish we had bought those tickets earlier.
I know. I wish I hadn't had to work late yesterday. Then we would have made it on time.
Exactly. And now look at us today. I wish I had stayed in bed instead of coming to this early meeting. I am so tired.
Me too. I wish my boss would give us more flexible hours. Working 9 to 5 is too hard on days like this.
Well, at least the weekend is almost here. I wish it were Saturday right now.
Oh, I agree completely. Next time, we should plan things sooner. As you can see, we can use these wishes in a real conversation. But remember, when talking about wishes in the present, put the verb into the past simple. And if you are wishing about the past, use the past perfect. However, I did include one more use when I said, I wish my boss would give us more flexible hours. We can use I wish for complaints, and if we do, we have to use the conditional with would. Easy, isn't it? Review the video a couple of times, then try to do the quiz afterwards. Did you know where I was yesterday? Well, look at the next image to find out the answer. I choose a different country and monument each day. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!
Speak English with